singing so long, and there's this gentleman that has a wonderful, wonderful voice, and I've been privileged to sing with him on a few occasions, and he's here in the building today, and I would love it if this young fellow would come sing a song with me. Would you, Brother Whitworth? Sister Whitworth, you want to come sing too? Let's make sure your mic's on.
Testing, okay.
There we go.
I'll tell you now, it's not going to be very good on one half of this.
Concerning the great speckled bird, remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. She is starting to lower her standard. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistakes. I am proud to have learned of her meekness. I am glad that my name is on the book, for I want to be one never fearing on the face of my Savior to look. Now when He comes and He's sending from heaven on the clouds as He rides in His word, I'll be joyfully carried to Him on the wings of the great speckled bird. Now she is spreading her wings for a journey. She is going